just want to be the Sunny SG in all of her forms. I'm just excited to be here. I am absolutely horrified for this. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are finding a bit of sunshine in your day. I'm Sarah Grace and welcome to a day in my life. I have been kind of wanting to make a bit of a content shift for a little bit. Most of my videos are super planned out. I know what I'm gonna do when I go to the parks. I know what I'm gonna do for a thumbnail, for a title, for most things before I even start filming. But most of my life is not like that. Most of my life is a couple of hours at a theme park, a quick trip to Disney Springs, you know, going to grab friends at a resort, or going to one of the really cool neighborhoods in Orlando, Winter Park, Winter Garden. And I really want to showcase more of that. I think that Orlando is such a stinking cool city to live in, and I want to give you guys more of a glimpse into what life actually looks like here, what life looks like living in Central Florida, being so close to the beaches. And I know I've talked about this several times. I think I was like in January, I was like, oh, you're gonna see more of this on my channel, but it's taken me getting to the point where I'm like not wanting to record videos because this is what I want to be doing, but I'm afraid of views dropping, of people unsubscribing, and I'm just gonna lay it out there and be honest that this is what's coming so you guys can be more aware. Now that doesn't mean I'm not still gonna be doing plenty of other full days in the theme parks or full day staycations and full planned out videos. There are still going to be plenty of those, trust me. I've been doing brain dumps and my list is so long. But this does mean you're gonna get to see more everyday videos. I've actually made a huge lifestyle change. I have been working on myself physically and emotionally and mentally. Yeah, I just want to be the Sunny SG in all of her forms and bring you guys into my life in the Sunshine State. So at this point, I'm just rambling. I thought this would be a great video to just like jump in and start out by doing. We are going to be going to Universal, making a Trader Joe's run, and I'm going to show you guys a DIY project that we're about to do together because I am working with clothes that either don't fit because they are too big or still too small from before quarantine. And this shirt is one that I got a little while ago, but I got a medium and it fits weird. I don't think it's like that cute and trendy, and I really want to crop it. I think that I want to show off my waist for the first time in a long time, and I want to do one of those things, my pants are too big, so I want to do like a little shoestring belt on this. But yeah, I want to crop this shirt. I did a bunch of like t-shirt DIY projects during quarantine, so I'm thinking that I will crop it. Yeah, let's go crop this shirt. Okay, so I have laid out where I kind of want to cut it, and we're just gonna cut and then see how it fits once it's on. And from my quarantine DIY projects, that if you cut a little bit on each side, you are less likely to end up with a super crooked line. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go just a little bit shorter because I want it to fit just above my pants line. So we're gonna cut maybe another inch off. Okay, so this is what it looks like. My office is a wreck. We're cleaning that this week, but I am obsessed with how it turned out. The whole little fit is just so cute and trendy, and I can't wait to get a pic in front of the globe when I get there. I'm just gonna go grab the rest of my stuff and get it together and then see you guys at Universal. So we just got to Universal, and I kind of realized, first of all I should say, if you're going to Universal and you are already vaccinated, you really don't have to wear a mask for anything, I don't think. You don't have to wear it outside or on attractions, and we're vaccinated, and so this is the first time we've been to Universal without masks, without temperature checks, like ever. I came once in high school, and we got our annual passes last June when masks and everything were still in place, so this is so weird. It's so fun to be back with things normal. So right now we're just shopping around in the new store that's like right at the entrance of the park. It is huge and they have so much fun merch.
I get Jesus.
What does it say? World's greatest lover. Oh!
It would not be bad to like run with. I got a nice little handle going.
That's kind of cute. Also, I'm like super into this fanny pack. Like, that's precious. Would be perfect for summer. This store is making me like so into Universal. Like, I'm just excited to be here.
Could be a good day.
They have these Howler Loungeflies that just came out, and the back of it said Ronald Weasley, Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. And I was just saying, like, how cool would it be if the inside of it, when you opened it up, had like the message, and inside of it, Ronald Weasley, how dare you steal that car? That is awesome. Oh, Jenny, dude, congratulations on making Gryffindor. Your father and I are so proud. I should also say that we are working on kind of giving our apartment a facelift, and I think we may have found some fun pieces here. That's also a vlog you can look forward to seeing, is a fresh. I've never done an apartment tour, but I really want to do one once we get it done, so stay tuned for that. There's a new Bao restaurant on City Walk. It just opened like last week, and Wesley and I are gonna grab some. Okay, so these are our little Bao buns. We got, yeah, we got a fried chicken and a pork belly, so we'll see how they are. It was good. It was really yummy. It's a great little snack spot on City Walk. I don't feel like there's a ton of those, just like a little bite with a little bit of substance, so 10 out of 10. Also, it was like 2 for 12 bucks, which is kind of a steal if you've been to the theme parks lately. We just went to the AP Lounge and got whatever these are. There's so much entertainment out today. Scooby's gang, we've got Dora over there. We love to see it. Are you excited?
So excited.
We've never done this one. First time. Huge Transformers fan as a kid.
Big time.
We've been together literally since high school, and I found that out today, so. A Starbucks king. It's literally not even sunny outside, it's just humid as heck. We finished Transformers. I'm fine to never go. That's just like totally not my thing, but Wesley enjoyed it and I'm happy you got to go on it with him. It was actually fun though, like I was like on my toes the whole time. But anyways, we just got some Starbucks. I got a skinny vanilla latte with non-fat milk, and thank goodness you can get like full waters again at Universal. They used to hand them out in like little bitty cups, so we're excited about that. We're gonna sit a minute and just kind of chill. We found a nice shady spot, even though it's shady everywhere. I don't know, psychologically it feels cooler over here. And then we're gonna head into the Wizarding World for a bit, and I think we're gonna go do VelociCoaster.
You're a wizard, SG, or a witch.
Got our wands. We're gonna do some spells.
Expecto Patronum. I don't know, babe. You seem like you're struggling just a little bit. You want me to show you how it's done?
Guardian Leviosa. Guardian Leviosa.
No, no, no. You're doing it all wrong. What's the line? It's not Leviosa.
It's Leviosa.
All right, here you go. This is how you do it. Let me.
I thought it was just
A little bit. Oh.
No.
Alright, we're gonna see if you can get redemption, okay? Round 2.
We are actually getting to take the Hogwarts Express over to Islands. The line has usually been so long, and so we haven't gotten this in forever, so I am really excited. Made it to Islands of Adventure.
I gotta adjust.
We are headed into the Jurassic Park area to try and do the new VelociCoaster. I am so excited. I have seen so many good things. Let's do it. So I'm not really a roller coaster person, so I'm a little nervous. Someone go upside down. I don't know if I'm ready for this.
I want to see.
I am absolutely horrified for this. Absolutely horrified. So I really thought I might pass out, but I didn't, and it was so much fun. 10 out of 10. If you're a coaster junkie, you're gonna love it. I'm not a coaster junkie, and I thought it was still so much fun. There's this one part, I don't want to spoil anything, but it's amazing. So we're leaving. Honestly, I'm getting old because that roller coaster absolutely wiped me. My throat hurts, my head hurts. It's time to go shopping.
Legs are a little jiggly after that one.
Yes, it's time to go do some adult things and go grocery shopping. The irony that I started this video by saying like, guys, this isn't just gonna be another like whole day at the theme parks and we were gonna spend like 2 hours there, and we spent like 7, but it was so fun. But now we are continuing with the rest of our day. Thought this would be happening a whole lot sooner.
The rest of our day at 7:45.
At 7:30, I thought this was gonna be at like 3 o'clock. But anyways, okay, so we just got home from Trader Joe's. I'm not gonna do a full haul. I definitely will do a video soon though, where I do like a whole grocery shopping video. But most what we got was fresh produce because I'm really trying to eat whole foods and fresh ingredients. I'm gonna show you a couple of things that are Trader Joe's specific that I absolutely get every trip. This is actually what we're having for dinner. It's the pork gyoza pot stickers. These are super yummy, super easy meal, and Wesley is such the little cook. He makes his own little stir fry like sauce for them, but these are fantastic. I also make my lunch salads with this grilled lemon pepper chicken. I slice it up and put it in baby spinach, and it's so yummy. The sour cream spinach dip is my go-to. This with blue corn chips is phenomenal. The Trader Joe's Greek non-fat yogurt, again, healthy and still really tasty. And then my absolute favorites are the spanakopita spinach and ricotta and feta cheese filled little pockets. These are so yummy, and I love throwing these in whenever I need a quick little lunch or a nice filling snack. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I hope you guys had fun coming along a day in my life. Definitely thought that was gonna be less universal, but I had so much fun. Wesley and I actually had so much fun that we decided to book a little staycation at one of the Universal resorts. We'll have that coming to you very soon. See, I told you those like nice little plane videos weren't going all the way away. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, please be sure to do so and give this video a thumbs up if you had as much fun as I did. Comment down below your favorite way to spend a Sunday afternoon. I absolutely just love doing stuff all around Orlando. And then if we're not already friends, over on my other socials, I am thesunnysg on Instagram and TikTok, and I'd love to hang out with you guys over there as well. I hope you have a sunshiny day, and I'll see you guys in my next video.